call me yo bro. If I don't know you, I be going Super Saiyan. You can call me Goku. Tree on my pants, you know I'ma stay.
Good morning, everyone. So I just woke up and it's 7 in the morning here. I'm really like excited for the day. I think we're supposed to go elephant trekking and to see the waterfalls, but I'm not sure because we fell asleep last night and we didn't have like time to book it, but I think we still can. So hopefully we do that today, and I cannot wait to do it. I love elephants, and I've never been to like an actual waterfall before, so that could be fun too. So I'm excited. Okay guys, so it's the next day. We didn't go anywhere yesterday. We didn't go to the waterfall. It was all booked up. We didn't have a chance, but we're gonna go today. And this is my last full day here. I leave early in the morning tomorrow, which it's kind of like bittersweet. I'm excited to get home. I like to see my dog and everyone else, but it's so nice here. But we're just gonna get some breakfast, and then we're gonna be picked up around 12ish to go to the safari to see like the tigers and all this stuff. So it should be a fun last week. So we just got to the safari. So it's what it looks like in the back, and then we're going to ride elephants for 20 minutes, and then we're gonna go to the waterfall, and then I think see like baby tigers and stuff. So I'm excited, but we're on our way to actually I don't even know what we're doing right now. I think we're getting on some car to go somewhere, or no, we're doing the elephants first. That's right. We're on the elephant. I don't know. So we're on the elephant, and I really don't like this. It's very wobbly. I just can't wait for this part to be over. I don't like that.
Skai has decided to take a picture with the baby tiger. So we'll see how this goes. Right, Skai?
Yeah. So now we're on our way to the waterfall. I just took the picture with the baby tiger, and he was so cute. This is definitely a lot better than riding on an elephant. I've never been on a waterfall before, so we will see how it is. And I don't know if I'll be able to record because, you know, water camera, not a good situation, but we'll see. No. Oh no!
Let me drive the boat.
So we're walking the bridge. Ooh, there's like no railings on this. So it looks really pretty. Like all the water. See? This is my first time ever coming to a waterfall, so I'm really excited. And I'm definitely gonna try to take some pictures if I can. Okay guys, so we're back from the safari, and now we're going to go to some like, not street fair, but we're gonna just go to town and just see all the stores and everything that they have down there. Since this is our last night, sleeping here. Our flight's tomorrow around 4 p.m, but we're leaving our hotel around 1:30, so we won't have much to do. We'll just have a breakfast, but I'm really excited to go to town. Even though we went out like of the resort today, like I want to see more Thailand and, you know, just like open and out and see what people do, so that should be cool. So I'm gonna definitely film some of that. I'm sorry that I couldn't get a lot of stuff at the safari. It was just that it was so busy and we had to like climb up rocks and stuff with the waterfall, so I didn't want to drop my camera or anything. I'm just dropping my camera because if I drop my camera, then there would be no vlog at all and all my videos would be gone. But yeah, I'm sorry I didn't get a lot of footage. I tried to get as much as possible, and I'm gonna try to get as much as possible when we go to town in a little bit. So we just called our car, and hopefully we'll be on the road in like 10 minutes. I'm all dressed and ready to go to the market. I'm so gonna miss this, like the pool area and the amazing beach area. I really want to come back here hopefully soon. Hopefully by like 2020 I'll come back again, because Thailand's really, really nice. But next time I want to visit like the temples and do everything. We would have had more of a chance to, but we missed 2 days because of the flight situation. But I'm excited for the market. A lot of traffic. I thought it was going to take like 15 minutes to get here, but it took a lot longer, like 30 minutes, which it was a good car ride because I got to take a nap a little bit. But now we're going to go into the village and see what they have there. So far I got a cute little bracelet. I don't know why my camera is not focusing as well as it was before, but hopefully we buy some more stuff, because they actually have some cute stuff, and they have these really cute like boxer shorts, and I know I'm not a boxer, but I kind of want a pair, you know, just to have them. But I really like this bracelet, and it was only $3, so cheap. They have all like the denim shops, all the denim shorts. These are cute, and I love those hats. I feel like people used to wear those hats like back in the day, like hats like that. They're kind of cute. We got fake Louis, fake Chanel. They literally have fake everything here. They have fake Supreme, like, what the heck? I would never go out walking like that. Look, they have fake Supreme bags. Like Gucci. All this is fake. So my mom's just getting some oil. They have so many fake bags in the back. I don't know. But I really want those boxer shorts. I don't know if I'll get them though. It just depends, because honestly, why would I be wearing boxer shorts? Like, who am I boxing? Who am I fighting? Like, no one. They have fake makeup, like fake Kylie cosmetics, like all this stuff.
It's a painting of a boy. Look at that. Kylie.
Oh, Kylie. Fake. Okay, so we finally got back from the market, and I'm really, really tired. Today was a long day from getting up early and then going to the safari, the river, like everything. So I think it's time for me to go to bed. I think I'm just gonna pack a little because I have all my clothes, and we're leaving tomorrow at 1, and I just want to make sure I have everything together. But I'm gonna pack, probably order some room service, and then call it a night. So I will see you guys tomorrow when I'm getting ready to leave Thailand. All right, y'all, so today is the last day. I'm going home today. So I'm having my last breakfast in a couple minutes, and then I might have my last lunch, I don't know. But I'm definitely gonna miss like the beach and the pool area and everything. This whole like resort is just so nice. I definitely want to come back. But right now I'm just packing and kind of excited to get home, excited to get back on the time difference, because right now it's nighttime in LA and it's morning time here. So I know I'm gonna be super jet lagged when I get home, but it's okay. I'll try to adjust as quickly as I can. But I'm really hungry, so I'm about to go eat. Now we're on our way to the airport, and then we have a 2-hour flight, then a 15-hour flight this time. It's not as long, but it's still long, but I think I'm probably gonna sleep through it. So I just got home. I'm so happy to be home in my bed and everything. I miss my bed so much in my room, but I'm just gonna unpack my stuff and get ready to, or try to get ready for bed. Hopefully I can go to sleep. It's only 9 and I slept so much on the plane, I'm not even tired. But thank you so much for watching my Thailand vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below what else you want me to do or what else you guys want me to see. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!